Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you're wondering how to tag or mention everyone in a WhatsApp group, here's how it works. First, open the app and go to your group chat. Normally, when you want to tag someone, you type this @ symbol and select their name. However, WhatsApp doesn't currently have a built-in option to tag everyone at once like some other apps do. What you can do instead is use the tag function individually. Type @ and then select a member's name. Repeat this process for each member in the group. Once you've tagged them all, everyone will get a notification and see that they've been mentioned in the chat. Now, you may see some videos showing an @ everyone option, but in most cases, that doesn't work yet because WhatsApp hasn't officially released it. If you watch some videos showing this option, they are probably using a WhatsApp bot. Hopefully in future updates, they'll make tagging everyone at once much easier. So for now, the only way is to manually mention members one by one so that nobody misses your message. We hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks.